How to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Xbox Connect package is no longer available. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Xbox Connect package is no longer available issue. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, the error message Connect package is no longer available in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, though it's worth noting that as of 2024, no game by that title has been released, so you might be referring to another game or a specific installment in the Call of Duty series. Usually indicates issue related to connectivity, server availability, or updates. So here is general troubleshooting guide to fix this issue on an Xbox console. The first step you need to do is check for the game updates. First of all, go to My Games and Apps and then navigate to Game and press the menu button. Select Manage Games and Add-ons. Then check if there is any updates available for the game. You need to install any updates if found. The second step you need to follow is check the Xbox Live status. Visit the official Xbox Live status page to ensure that Xbox Live services are up and running, especially multiplayer services for the Call of Duty servers. The third is you need to restart your Xbox. Power cycle your console. So press and hold the Xbox button on the console for 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the console from the power outlet for a minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help clear any network issues or system glitches. The first step you need to follow is clear the game cache. Clear the cache by performing a cold boot. So you need to turn off your console and unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in and turn it on. The fifth step you need to follow is reinstall the game. Uninstall the game from your Xbox and reinstall it to ensure all packages are properly downloaded. Go to My Games and Apps and then highlight the game, press the menu button and select Uninstall. Reinstall the game by going to the Microsoft Store or your library and re-downloading it. The second last step you need to follow is check your internet connection. Ensure that your Xbox has a stable internet connection. You can test this by going to the Settings, Network, and the Network Settings. Test your network connection. If you are having issues, try restarting your router or switching it to a wired connection if possible. Lastly, you can contact the support. If none of the above steps works, contact Activision support or Xbox support for further assistance. There could be an issue with the game's backend service or your specific account that needs their attention. So following this step, you should be able to resolve the Connect packages no longer available issue in Call of Duty on Roblox or Xbox. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to our channel, like the video and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.